Hi everybody, welcome back to the NAVIFORCE. Today we will have an unboxing review video and the model number is the NF8024. Okay, now let's start. First, still let me rip off the black box. And as you can see, the box is very textured and the silver logo is very clear, printed at the center. And here you can see this is the guarantee card, and this one is the instruction manual for our Quartz watches. Okay, the NF8024 is a Quartz calendar watch, and first, again, let's have a look at the back side. Here, from the back side, you can know the model number in the bottom left here, the NF8024, and the center you can see the printed logo, and the upper side you can see the back material is the stainless steel, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. Our watches, all the Quartz watches, made use of the hardened mineral glass. So you can see the watch glass, it is very transparent, and it is scratch resistant and durable to use. You can see the detail parameter at the upper right screen, and now let me show you the diameter with the measuring tool here. Okay, you can see the case diameter is 43.5 millimeter, and lug to lug here, let me show you. The lug to lug is about 50 millimeter. Okay, the thickness you can see is very thin, and the thickness is only 10.2 millimeter. Okay, the total length of this watch is 255 millimeter. You can notice the strap here. The strap make use of soft and textured PU leather material. The strap is very nice, and it is with an easy adjusted buckle here. Very easy to wear, and it's convenient. Very nice, right? Okay, now let's move on to more details about the watch design. Except for the 3, 6, and the 9 o'clock position, the studs here are made in bullet shapes, kind of powerful and strong. And as for the outer scale here, you can see the scale, the inner shading around the bezel here. There is a circle of numbers to help you read the time. And at the 3 o'clock position, there is also a small square calendar window for showing the date. And let me show you how to adjust the time and the date. Okay, you can see the crown here, pull out, and you can adjust the time. And push a little bit. You can see the 3 o'clock position here, the date. Okay, after you finished adjusting the time, push it, the crown, and it's done the time. And lastly, let's see all the colors here of this model. This watch, as you can see, it has 6 color schemes totally. Okay, let me show you one by one. The first one here is the black gray. It is with the black frosted case and the gray dial and the gray leather strap. Okay, the next one is the black green. It's with the still the black frosted case and the deep green dial and the green leather strap. It's kind of like a forest green. The color is very nice. Okay, the third one color here is the black, yellow, and the deep brown. It's with the black frosted case and the yellow stud here and the deep brown leather strap. Okay, the fourth one here, the color is golden light brown. The case and the dial is the golden color, and here the strap is light brown color. The fifth one here is the rose gold blue. It's with the rose gold sleek case and the deep blue dial, and the leather strap is kind of orange, or you can say is a brown strap. Okay, finally the last one here is the color that we just embossed, and the color is rose gold black. It's with the rose gold sleek case and the black dial, and the studs here are white, and this strap is a little bit different from the last one. Here is deep brown leather strap. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF8024 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.